guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have here my Summer FabFitFun that I'm finally getting ready to dig into. I don't know what's in here at all, so it's going to be a surprise for you and I got this I think like a month ago or something like this, and I just tossed it to the side because I had other videos that I needed to film first. So I figured let me get this up. And this is probably, you'll be going up in, you'll probably be seeing this obviously in August, but I'm filming this in July, trying to prepare and film multiple, I'm filming multiple videos because I have so many things planned in my life that I need to get stretched through to middle to the end of September at least, because we'll be doing a lot of travels and stuff like that. So, and other things, but you guys don't care about that, so we're just going to jump right on in here and just open it up, get rid of the packaging. I don't really care about none of this stuff, the magazine, you know, and the stupid little cards that comes with. I don't use these. I really don't care. I just want to see what is in here. There is one thing I do know that I ended up spending, I think it was, you could upgrade an extra $10 to get a specific item in here, and I did do that. So that will be my last item I pull out of the box. So first we're going to start off with the probiotic and superfoods. It's by Tula. It's skincare. It says balanced skincare, protect and glow, daily sunscreen gel, broad spectrum, SPF 30. I've heard of Tula. I don't know anything about this product here. And this is what it looks like. A nice pretty little summery yellow. I don't want to really open it. I'm hoping it's sealed. No, it was not sealed. It smells like sunscreen. So we have that right in here. Push this down. Blah 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 blah. Next we have, I don't know what this is. Ugh, more crap cards. We have a body scrubber. Can't go wrong with a body scrubber. I use exfoliating, oh my god, what the hell would it be considered? A body scrub. It's from Tree Hut. So this would be a good addition to go with it. It's a little, I don't know how you work it, but like, what are these finger thingies? Is this like you stick your fingers in there? Like, it doesn't give you directions on how to work it. Like, it's just a little stay fresh thing. I don't understand what the little holes are for and how to use it, but we'll play around and figure it out. Right? Great. I don't know. I could have done without this thing, honestly, because that thing, that the Tree Hut body scrub with the exfoliating stuff in it, works just as good. Next I have here, this is Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging. It is a moisture CC cream, a 10-in-1 complete correction leave-in. Leave-in. What is a leave-in? Is this for your hair? Yes, it is. Anti-breakage. But why would it say CC cream? To me, when I see CC cream, I think of a thing that goes on your face. Not for your hair. But it says complete correction, so for your hair. So this is for your hair. Let's take a whiff. I don't know how I feel about the smell. Do some research before I put more crap in my hair. I don't need to be thinning or anything like this. So, I mean, it's already thinning, but if this does great, why not, right? I don't know. We'll see. I don't mind trying new stuff for my hair. Alright, next we have here, it is a desk pad. This is amazing, and it would look great over there on my makeup desk. I don't know how long it is though, so we're going to slide it right out of here. And it seems pretty long, like it'll fit on my desk. So that actually is really cute to have, and I can't wait to actually go put this on my desk as soon as I get off of this. Stop filming. And it's by Sword Tech Elevated. Is a, like I said, a desk pad, and That's all the packaging is. But it's really cute. It matches my vibe, so we're good. Next I have here is a little bag by Poolside, New York. And I like these kind of little bags to throw into like my beach bag or my pool bag. And I honestly use this. Oh, look at that. I honestly use this. It has a little clear little inside pocket. But I like to use these for putting sunscreen in. And throwing in a couple bottles and stuff in there. And anybody says, hey, you got sunscreen? I'll be like, yeah, it's in a small little bag. And they can go in there instead of digging through your whole entire bag to go get something. It's actually just in this. And it's really cute. Of course, it won't zipper because it's a stupid tag. But I like having these. I bought a couple of them while I was in Wildwood a few years ago. And I needed another one. So, and I haven't been able to find them in Wildwood like the ones I used to have. Like I do have. So that's a great addition. Love that. And next we have, it looks like a neoprene bag, which I can't stand the smell of neoprene. And it says summer salt. First of all, I can't read upside down, right? And it looks like it's a beach bag. And I ended up just buying a beach bag, but that's okay. You can't have too many. This would be really cute to take to the pool, not the beach. The one I have for the beach, you can get the sand off and everything really good. But this is really nice to have just for the pool itself. I like this. This is really cute. I don't mind having this. And look, it's got pink and everything. This can go right in here. Like I said, sunscreen. Throw that in there. Take your Bluetooth speaker, your towel, and you have a little set right there. Nice. Next, the thing that I was talking about that I paid the extra $10 for is this hair tool. It is a rose gold blowout dryer brush by Foxy Babe. And I have no idea how it works. I have the Revlon one and I have yet to even do a review on it. I've never had one. So I don't even know how my hair would handle it. Because seriously, I wash my hair on Fridays and then I come here. So I don't really straighten my hair. I guess I could if I got here to try them out and stuff. Probably would be the best way to do it. But I don't feel like putting my face back on when I get here. Because when I come here, I'm barefaced. So we're going to open this up and take a quick look at what it looks like. And that's a baby boy. And that's it right here. You guys, if you know what dryer brushes look like. It's got two different kind of bristles. It's got like the, you know, regular standard. I can't know if you can't tell. So it's got the little ones with the little nubbies. And then it's got like those, the boar brush bristles, whatever you want to call them. Seems like it's going to be a pretty long cord. And I like this. This is pretty nice. And it has different temperature settings here, I guess. I got to read the directions on this, on how this works. Because I have no clue. So it's nice. It was only $10 extra to have it in my box. And I said, why the hell not, right? Treat yourself every so often when you have this little subscription. Treat yourself to something that's just a little bit extra that you might actually really want to have in your box. So I hope you guys enjoyed. And, oh wait, hold on. And the little stickers. I never keep these. I don't know why. Maybe I should start saving these and just start giving these away to people. Who knows? But like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Comment if you guys get not BoxyCharm. I do BoxyCharm videos too. But comment down below what you got in your FabFitFun. If it was anything different than what I got. If anything that you have from your FabFit box, if it is the same, if you've already used it and how do you like it, and if you're new, just please subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. And until I see you all again, have a great day. Thanks. Bye.